Hello.
Hello.
Well, today is a very special day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why is that?
The boat is going to water.
Yes.
Across.
It's a little bit later than expected because of the rudder, but who cares? We're good to go now. We're confident we're going to be good, although I will be checking very carefully for leaks in lots of different places. We also have a gentleman called Garreth from Medway Drone Exploration with a drone. So we will have some drone footage of us today, which is a really nice bonus.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And shortly we'll be picked up and we'll start making our way towards the water. Hello Emma. Guess what happened when you were asleep? Look. Look what happened, Emma, look. What's that? Over there. What is it? It's our boat and it's moved. Look, it's over there now. When you went to sleep, it was somewhere else. Well, it's a beautiful sunny day today. There are people out sailing on the river, and Britaly's over there just waiting for high tide to go in. And in the meantime, we're in the sunshine here, aren't we, darling?
Yes, we
What's
are.
happened to Rossella today?
I got burned. Oh, Emma's
inhaling the sun cream. Just a minute, Emma. Rossella has got sunburn. Italian Rossella has got sunburn in England.
Italian Rossella, Italian skin.
Yeah, Italian skinned Rossella has got sunburn in England.
Yeah.
Hurrah!
I should have put this before, but I didn't thought this sun was so powerful.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, I know
See?
now.
England is a very sunny country.
Yeah. Britalian is going in the water. Splish, splash, splish, splash.
This is the Chris cam. Just come in the boat and I'm looking for leaks. We have had water in here that I've just mopped up, so there was already some water in this part of the boat. What I'm really interested in sea cocks there, they look good. Check the bilge, there is water there. And that appears to be rising from the front, so I'll have a good look at this. It may be that this is the water continue to arrive here from the bow, but I will monitor this. This is not yet filling up, but it will start doing so soon because this water is going to make its way down into the lower part of the bilge. This is dry. 3 sea cocks there are good. 2 sea cocks there are good. I'm going to check the sail drive diaphragm. Sail drive diaphragm looks good. I'm going to check the rudder. The water line's not advertised this, but I did drill and epoxy so through some holes here, so I have to check those. Okay, they're all good. So, the one area for concern so far is the bow. Is that water, residual water from the power wash that I just did, the jet washing? Or is it something else?
Dada. Cosa vuoi dire, amore? Dada. Dada. Dada, sì, Dada è là. È la sua barca. È Dada. Dada.
I think we're going to go for a release with the crane, so let's see what happens.
la barca? Dov'è la barca? Dov'è la barca?
Really?
È in acqua! Oh, he's excited!
Hello, darling. See, this boat floats on the water too. It doesn't just stay in a car park.
C'è amore! Are you happy to be in the water? Are you happy to be in the water? C'è amore! Cos'è che ti fa ridere? Cos'è che ti fa ridere? Cos'è che ti fa ridere? Mamma! Mamma! Bla bla bla! Bla bla bla! Emma! Emma! Mamma!
Well, that's a better view than a gravel car park, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Hi.
Hello.
Hiya. Oh, you want to grab the microphone, don't you? Always. So we are on the pontoon here at the yacht club. We've been here for a day and a half. All is well in the world. We do have some water in the bilge, but I have tasted it and it isn't salty. And then after a little bit more tracing, I've seen where it's coming from. At the aft end of the boat, we've got a hot water heater and there's a little drip coming from that. So that's filling up the engine bay very slowly. Isn't it?
Hooray!
So we're about to depart, and it's a very short journey. We're not going very far, but that doesn't mean that it's not a big deal, because this is a big deal for us for many different reasons.
The main one.
Exactly, the main one is bobbing up and down in front of you, aren't you? So it's a very big learning curve for us, and we're going to take you with us on this journey. This is an important moment. The red ensign for the first time, and I'm going to be whistling the Italian national anthem while I do that, for parity, because this is a dual nationality boat. I'm just doing a little mini briefing for Rossella here, so I may as well show you guys too.
By the way, it's whispering because Emma's asleep.
We hope that she stays in a non-demanding state like this. So the problem that we've got at the moment is there's quite a gusty wind, and it's pinning us against the pontoon, so it's gusting up to about 15 knots, or just a little bit more than that. So what we need to do, Rossella, is use a spring line off the stern. So at the moment we are, the front of the boat is there, it's not very clear, but that's the bow. We've got a line here, a line here. What we're going to do is untie this line. When we do that, nothing will happen, we'll just be staying in position on the pontoon. So what we're going to need to do is walk the boat backwards, just literally walk and push it backwards until this line gets tight like that. And then once we're in that position, we can put some fenders on the stern here. If you look after the fenders on the stern, then I'll put the boat into reverse. Then what will happen is this line will go tight, the boat will start to rotate around, and the fenders will be squashed against the pontoon, and once we've got enough of an angle to be ready to leave, kind of something like that, fenders here, then we'll release this line from the boat, and then I'll power it ahead and we'll leave the pontoon behind us.
Okay, Captain.
Any questions?
I think I'm alright. We'll find out soon.
Okay, since we've wasted a lot of time in preparations, if you look down at the water there, you see the bubbles running past, so there's quite a tide running here, which is going kind of contrary to my plan of using the spring. However, we're going to give it a go. If it doesn't work, there's another way we can do it, but we're going to try plan A first and then take it from there.